Hi, I'm Alex Thaddeus, owner at Alex Thaddeus Hairdressing in Fife, Scotland, and I'm also a KMS Style Ambassador. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about my #hero product within the KMS range. I have chosen to use the KMS THERMASHAPE Straightening Creme in my own hair today. My own hair can be quite unruly, it is coarse, and I need something that is going to smooth it in this damp Scottish weather. I applied one pump of this cream to my hair when it was towel dried and worked it through. I then blow dried with a round brush and ran the straightening irons lightly over the top of it to create a nice smooth finish. I am now confident that my hair will remain smooth, shiny and sleek for up to 72 hours, as well as lightweight. The rhodiola water mint smell that comes with this product is actually just an added bonus, it's lush.